Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my Nclex RN journey, how I managed to pass, what strategies I have used, and what kind of tips I have with me to share with you to pass Nclex exam in first attempt. So guys, to let you know, just I have passed my Nclex RN exam on 75 questions on first attempt. I'm not very intelligent. I would tell you, to be honest, I'm a very average student, and I could say to everyone, if I can pass, you guys will pass. So guys, we are going to share, I'm going to share with you my strategies, what I have done. So first thing, I would tell you that self-motivate. Motivate yourself that you are going for this exam and this is not hard exam for you, and remove all the negativity, throw them like this. Okay, first and foremost, that you should motivate yourself before starting your journey. And when you are going to start your journey, never let negativity to come and to attack on you. So first thing, I have told you that self-motivate. You have made your plan, you are going for Nclex RN journey. So my tips are going to start now. So tip number 1 is, you should know what is this test, what kind of this test is. So introduce yourself about the test, and then you should know what type of question is going to be in your exam. So this is, my tip. You know what is a test, what type of question is going to come in your exam, and what how you are going to deal. So understand test taking strategies. This is very important. You should know the strategies, what kind of this test and what kind of strategies they are going to use when they are asking you questions. And in tip number 1, the last thing is that you should know test taking strategies, which is highly important for you to understand what kind of strategies they are going to use to ask you questions. So they are going to judge your clinical judgment, and they are going to judge your critical thinking about clinicals in clinical scenario. So it is really important to understand about the strategies. There is one elimination process. When they ask multiple questions, it is very easy to eliminate two options, then you will remain with two options which were very similar, and then it is really hard to choose one. Okay, then there are some common words, strategic words, that you should focus on them. The first, last, foremost, immediate action, first action, last action, this kind of words. Soon I'm going to upload a video about that it will guideline you for test taking strategies. So this is my tip number 1. Now we are going to move on tip number 2. I know guys, tip number 2 is really boring. Everyone would say, what is this tip? But I did it. I swear to God, it's a really honest review, honest suggestions, honest tip. Tip number 2 is read Sounder book word by word. I have read it, to be honest. It is very thick book. I know it has, I don't know how many pages, but I read word by word. So if you are going for Nclex RN exam, never skip this tip. You should read Sounder book word by word. And now this is very easy. I'm going to upload all the chapters reading word by word. So on your journey, on your traveling time, on your cooking time, on your doing something, you can have headphones and you can listen these all words and these all chapters. It is very easy. On my time, I did not have internet facility, and I was reading myself word by word. And after that, when you have read your Saunders book, I would say now tip number 3. Tip number 3 is practice question. Everyone would say that, practice as much as you can. I don't know how many questions I have done, uncountable, but I would say that they are recommended. They recommend 4,000 questions. I did not count myself, but I have done all practice questions. Not only practice questions, you have to do your rationals as well. You have to read and understand rationals as well with questions. And guys, I'm going to upload all the practice test questions that I have done with rationals, and we are going to solve together. So hopefully you will have maybe 100 practice tests with me, so it will be very easy. So soon we are going to do all practice questions with rationals, and maybe 100, I don't know how much I can, but what I have done, what I have practiced, I'm gonna upload all my tests. So guys, these were my tips to pass Nclex exam in first attempt. So never forget to self motivate yourself, believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself and motivate in yourself, remove all the negativity, you will be pass. Okay, you are going to be successful in this exam, and hopefully this journey will be very easy for you and for me as well. So I'm going to share all the tips time to time. Just I would say, guys, comment if you want to say something. I would really appreciate. Like and subscribe my channel. Then see you for next time, and we will meet and we will share more tips. Bye then. Bye for now.